Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to do a tutorial about um how to sign in your TextPlus account. Also, I'm working on making video on how to sign up currently as it's working now. So let's just start there. First of all, let's connect our VPN. I believe United States. So United States now. We I can undergo a nice so you open sorry, we are not going to sign up this time around. We are signing in. Here we are going to use others and we sign in with Microsoft. Yes, let's use the method. Sorry that I'm coming. Sign in. Let's with Microsoft. Let's go. Origination. Okay. Let's try again. Initial state. Now let me change the IP. Alright, so I've changed the IP. Let's go back. Let's open it back. Others, Microsoft. Alright, so here is it. Mind you, the reason it shows this redirection is I already have my Gmail, or let me say the Hotmail Outlook already signed in. That's why it automatically detects that you sign in and try to redirect me back. So when I'm doing the next video on how to register, I will do a full video as well on how to get the mail and do the registration. So allow, and as you can see, allow. As you can see, this the number. So I believe I can complete the message. let's see. Hi. So this is it on how to, and also let's try messaging the number and see. Let's cancel this. Copy the number and use which I'm going to use. Let's use this. You can see a notification just pop up. So here's the notification. I can just say, alright, okay, I think I have I think I don't have credits. I need to credits. Okay, this credit should send a message. So let's try again. Oh, sorry. This is I believe Canadian number, so it don't work here because of the Canadian number advertisements. So we're changing that. Let's use this number. Let's use this. Alright, let's use this number. So you can see the messages already, okay? If I just say hello tech, already. Okay, still connecting. The message should have dropped already. So okay, you can see it here. You can see it here. So now the next video, doing this video on how to create the account yourself and also set it up for it to work perfectly for you. And also I will be making a video on how to accommodate more credit without you getting the plus. And as you can see, I send message and also receive without me being a TextPlus premium user. So that's it on this video. Alright guys.